doll, please.
Hello everyone, welcome to another smart doll unboxing. It's been a hot minute since I unboxed a smart doll, but today we are busting one out. Our beautiful, soft, gorgeous, keep calm and carry a smart doll tote bag. Let's go ahead and pull out our accessory box. We will open that first. So for Chaos, I ordered assembled frame parts. I was thinking about getting the unassembled frame parts, but then I was like, that seems like a lot of work. So already I'm kind of excited because I see some hips in here, definitely some legs, some arms, some good pieces. I'm excited. As for accessories, I got this Keep Calm and Carry a Smart doll. This is like a dark purplish brown. Also got the marine white uniform. The girl that we got comes with the ash wig, and I wanted to upgrade her bust size, so I got medium smooth. This is the first time that I've had a bigger bust size. I usually just have the default on all of my dolls. Here is her cinnamon stand and one of the new Culture Japan cards. This features 3 of the girls on it. Now let's get out our girl. We have Miss Valiant. She has beautiful blue eyes. I love that I got the purple underwear set, my favorite color. She's very beautiful. We're gonna switch camera angles, put on her wig and the outfit that I got for her, and switch out her bust. All right, so here she is. Let's put on the medium smooth bust. Like I said, all the dolls that I have right now have their default on. This is the first time that I've grabbed a different size, so I'm kind of interested to see how much of a difference I notice. Okay, just kidding. I definitely notice a difference. Just because it goes from small to medium, I was thinking it wasn't going to be that much of a jump, but like, come on, cleavage. Most of my girls have a story of how they're all connected. And so whenever I wanted to get her, I wanted to get the uniform with her because I feel like with this uniform, it's going to make her like the leader of my girls. She's like high rank, official, military rank, whatever. Some of my girls are part of the Sailor Marines and are like have siblings that are in it and whatnot. So we needed a leader, and our Valiant leader is now here. I'm gonna put on her outfit and her wig and show you guys how it looks. All right, so here she is in all of her military glory. I love the little patch on the side of the suit, and then the sleeves come to a little point over the hand, which I think is very cool. A nice little touch to it. The outfit fits like a glove, which we've come to expect from all of our Culture Japan clothes. They're always going to fit perfectly. I like that the jacket still fits the medium boobs perfectly. I zipped it all the way up. It does go all the way up to the top, and you can do the little snap. And then this wig is so pretty, just like a long ash. It's a little bit longer than I thought, which I don't mind at all. I think she looks amazing. I just need to get her some shoes. I should have ordered those vinyl, I think they're vinyl, just like the black little boots. I should have grabbed those. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you love Miss Valiant, the leader of all of my smart dolls. They're all watching over there. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.